Ravens are large black birds that are found in many parts of the world, including forests, mountains, and cold regions. They live in places like Canada and Norway, and they are known for being very adaptable. Ravens are extremely intelligent birds. They can solve problems, use tools, and remember human faces. One of their most interesting abilities is that they can imitate sounds, including other birds and even human voices.
I've given up hope.
Va bene? Via.
Things to be beautiful.
They use different calls to communicate with each other and to warn about danger. Ravens often work alone or in pairs, but they can also gather in groups when food is available. They are both clever and mysterious, with skills that feel almost like they don't belong in the bird world.
I could take a different